Yes.
Yes, I am a father.
Yes, I am.
Yes, soon to be father.
Yes, I am. Mother and father in a one.
Taking care of your children.
Well, when you're a father, you're supposed to take care of your children or your child. See that they go right.
Right now, there isn't any good things about fatherhood, because fathers are not being appreciated like how they should.
But you know, say, the kids them keep me grounded still. You know, say, my responsibility and thing, you know. So even when you want to slap up and slip up, you can't. You see it, because you know, you have them to deal with, and you have the responsibility there. And them look up to you, so you have to stay focused, you see it.